Hello everyone! Before we start this tutorial, I want to make an announcement. I have just published a new Valentine's Day coloring book in my coffee shop. I have received many requests for Valentine themed food illustrations and they're finally ready. So if you are interested, check out my shop. I have also recently uploaded many new materials there. And if you would like a black and white outline for today's tutorial, along with the color palette and detailed instructions, you can also download them today for free. But make sure you do it now, as this offer will expire in 24 hours. Alright, get your markers out and let's get started. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be using my alcohol-based markers for this tutorial, but feel free to use any materials you have on hand. To start, I'll make a light pencil sketch to determine the placement of the strawberry on the page. Once I've found the perfect spot, I'll add a few more details to get a better idea of how it will look. Once the outline is complete, I let it rest for a few minutes to allow the ink to dry. And then we can start adding some color to our strawberry. First, I'll use the light orange tone to fill in the lightest areas. This will help create a sense of depth and give the strawberry a natural, vibrant look. Next, I'll move on to the mid-tone. I use a bright vermilion color to fill in the bottom half of the strawberry, where it gets darker. To make the color even more deeper, I'll add another layer using a slightly more intense color. I focus on the very bottom of the strawberry, just slightly overlapping the previous layer. This will create a beautiful gradient of color and make our strawberry look three-dimensional and realistic. For the chocolate, I like to use a brown color with a slight reddish tint. The BR93 marker from Touch brand works perfectly for this. We have two options for the texture of the chocolate: a shiny and glossy surface or a matte surface. Personally, I prefer the shiny look, but if you prefer the matte texture, you can use a single dark brown marker to fill in the area and then use a white pastel pencil to create the highlights. Remember to apply the white pencil smoothly, as matte surfaces have less intense highlights compared to glossy textures. To achieve the glossy look, I'll leave some highlighted areas untouched to show strong highlights on the chocolate. I'll also increase the contrast by using the darkest brown marker at the bottom and between the white chocolate lines. Let's now color the green part of a strawberry. We start off with a light green marker. Next, add depth by applying shadows to the shadowed side using a medium dark green marker. To further enhance the illusion of depth, use your darkest green marker to darken the shadows. Remember, objects further back will appear darker than objects in the foreground. So don't hesitate to make these leaves darker as well. And don't forget the leaves in front cast shadows on the leaves in the background, which can be depicted by using the darkest green marker. For more natural tone, I'll be coloring the white chocolate stripes with a yellowish YR133 marker, giving them a warm touch. I'll also add some light brown shadows using E70 marker to make the stripes look more three-dimensional. Now, to make the strawberry pop on the page, let's add a cast shadow beneath it. Any gray tone works. I'll be using a grayish blue violet. To make it stand out even more, I'll increase the contrast right under the strawberry, making the area where it touches the surface the darkest. Now let's get to the seeds of the strawberry. I'll be using my Posca white pen to make them bright and crisp. In the shadowed side, I'll switch to my white gel pen because it has less opaque ink, which helps absorb the red ink and create a more natural look in the shadow. To finish off, I like to add some highlights with white pastel pencil. I'll be highlighting the chocolate and the spaces between the seeds on the strawberry, making sure to avoid coloring near the seeds. Finally, I'll add a few white spots for the final touch. And that's it, our strawberry is complete. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you enjoy it, let me know in the comments what other drawings you'd like to see. I'll see you in the next video.